Oh baby, refrain from breaking my heart. I'm so in love with you. I'll be forever blue. That you give me no reason. You know you're making me work so hard. That you give me no, that you give me no, that you give me no, that you give me no soul. I hear you calling, oh baby, please give a little respect to me. And if I should falter, will you open your arms out to me? We can make love not war and live at peace with our heart. I'm so in love with you. I'll be forever blue. That you give me no reason. You know you're making me work so hard. That you give me no, that you give me no, that you give me no, that you give me no soul. I hear you calling, oh baby, please give a little respect to I'm so in love with you. I'll be forever blue. That you give no reason. You know you make me work so hard. That you tell me no, that you tell me no, that you give me no, that you give me no soul. I hear you calling, oh baby, please give a little respect to me. I hear you calling, oh baby, please give a little respect to me. Thank you very much.
Well done, Chris. Zoe, what do you think of Chris's performance?
Honestly, I loved that. I could tell you really enjoyed yourself. It was nice to see you. I wrote down, it was nice to see you perform, not as a bag of nerves. Like, I can tell this week you were much more comfortable. Like earlier when I said up there, I can feel the vibes off everyone's right. Nobody's as nervous as what they have been, and like I really like that. It was nice to see you like looking comfortable on stage, like enjoying what you're doing. The performance and the vocal was honestly phenomenal. It was a really good song choice. It showed off your amazing range. Just all round, I thought that was absolutely brilliant. Well done.
Thank you very much. Louise.
Goodness sake, you're terrible. Right, Chris, I absolutely love your voice. It's just, you open your mouth and it comes out. It just looks so natural and it's just so clean. Lovely range. When you're hitting that note right up there, spot on. Again, it's not my favourite song choice. I think there's better songs out there that you could have absolutely smashed hearing you sing that. It is another gig song, but the difference being this one does show off your range and it goes somewhere, and it is a tricky song to sing for a man. But I think you did it justice. It was brilliant. You loosened up, you had fun, and you just were a pleasure to watch. So well done, lovely. Really well done.
Thanks a lot. Chris, yeah, again, you outdone yourself tonight, and I'll tell you why. Because I want everyone to take note of this because I can't like say it enough, but I don't pick up tempo choice to you come out and show off your range. I don't want to see that, guys. I want to see you loosen up. I know, but this is going to help them for the following weeks. They're going to feel more relaxed up there, and that's why I do it. I know, I've done it for 14 seasons. I know what I'm doing. So, actually more than that, 18 seasons. This is part of the process. This is going to allow you to loosen up. The same with all of it. Whenever the girls decide to give up tempo for their choice, for their categories, it allows people to relax the week after. So I don't care what's happening vocally. But let me come back to what you just did. What you did there, you played it very, very well. All right? And the reason why is because you picked a song that still showed off your range, actually falsetto, a lot more than you've shown us so far, and you still kept up tempo. So you've outdone yourself by a mile this week for what I expected. It is a gicky song. It's up tempo, you know. That's what people do, you know, that sort of thing. So I expect people to relax and chill, and that's exactly what you did this week. We got to remember, right back to your audition, you was crumbling up there, absolutely crumbling, and that was just 4 weeks ago. This is, by any standard, cut the song choice, a massive dramatic step up in terms of you as a person up there, comfortability. And let me tell you now, from next week onwards, if you're successful now, next week onwards, that is going to make a difference to how you feel when you're coming up here. Because now you've loosened up and you think, oh, people are right with it, you'll be fine, no matter what you belt out, all right? Absolutely smashed it for Up Tempo Week. I'm really, really impressed, Chris. Well done to you, buddy.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Well done.